Growing up eating right is the key to good health. Cooking for Baby and Me is your go-to source for healthy, delicious recipes that are chef-created and pediatrician approved.
Today's featured ingredient is blueberries.
So that little berry, right, this little tiny berry here has so much good stuff in it. You're getting a ton of vitamins, more than I can even list. But I think the important concept is, what does all those things do for you?
With kids, you try to just take ingredients they know and just little variations on them.
I love that about the show and what you're doing, Chef, to help us all eat a little healthier.
I've been cooking for close to 30 years in my career, done many different TV shows. Baby and Me is absolutely one of the most rewarding shows I've ever done.
And this is one, if you're serving it to an older child, they don't know that's carrot, so sneaking it in a little bit. If you have a child who's a little finicky about...
I have to do a lot of sneaking at home.
We fully endorse that in pediatrics. I love that we're using some fresh oranges here and fresh juice, because instead of that glass of processed orange juice that you might give your child, just give them the fresh fruit.
What I like about cooking on the show Baby and Me is that it really makes you think about being efficient with your time. Instead of having to cook 2 meals, really thinking about one meal that works for everybody. I mean, I remember my mom and my grandma making this for us, just a Saturday afternoon. It was like, okay, let's make the ceviche.
But I know what you're talking about is, food as a family tradition, food as memories, food is something you can pass on to your children into generations.
Absolutely, and that's the beauty of cooking and the beauty of cooking with friends and family.